Commodity just launched their newest scent, Milk Orchid, in collaboration with fellow creator Perfumerism, and we need to talk about this because it took me by total surprise in the best way. Now, I feel like when we hear milk as a note in perfumery, we often associate it with dessert gourmand scents. It kind of gives the feeling of, melted ice cream, whipped cream, to that effect. But what I like about this is it's not that. While this still has like a sweet cream, milky feel to it that is lactonic, it is not too sweet, it is not too cloying, it isn't too gourmand. To me, this is almost like silky floral petals dripped in sweet cream. It has a really nice greenery type of feel to it from the fig milk in there, and almost a slight tropical feel too from the coconut milk, touch of nuttiness as well from the macadamia nut milk. It is comforting and yet sensual at the same time. The orchid note in here is very smooth and sensual and gives it this slight powdery elegance to it, but the milkiness is still there and it kind of wraps you in this feeling of coziness, almost like you're wrapping yourself in your favorite blanket or putting on your favorite cashmere sweater. There is a vanilla-like sweetness in this still, but it's more airy and pillowy, so it's almost more intimate and skin-like, and it becomes better as it sits on your skin and honestly quite addictive. I will also say I'm not someone who tends to get a ton of comments on my fragrance out in the wild, but this one I have worn out, and every time I've worn it, I've gotten compliments. If you have tried the original milk scent from Commodity, that DNA is still in here, but it almost has this petal soft lift to it that is more airy, polished, and romantic, which I think is so gorgeous. It definitely is a unique scent that adds value to my personal fragrance collection. So for me, this is an absolute win. I think I'm gonna get a ton of wear out of this, and I'm excited to find other fragrances to layer it with, because I think it has such a unique profile to it that you can really play it up and bring out some of those notes more when you pair it with other scents. Great job to Commodity, and congratulations and amazing work to you, Emma. You absolutely knocked this out of the park.